What if I told you the smartest AI systems in the world can answer millions of questions but still fail at thinking like a human? Today we are going to uncover a silent revolution happening inside AI. Not just faster answers but real reasoning. This session is about two minds of AI. One that predicts instantly, which we know we have made several projects based on this, and another that thinks deeply. We have also created several projects using thinking models. If you're interested in AI, robotics, future careers, or building real systems, stay with me till the end. This will change how you see AI forever. Prediction versus reasoning. This slide sets the stage. AI today has two very different brains. One brain is lightning fast, it predicts the next word instantly. Remember? Next token instantly. That is what LLM does. The other brain is slower, but it reasons, plans, and corrects itself. Understanding this difference is the foundation of modern AI robotics. Now, here, can you see the one big difference here? This reasoning happens in inference time. This is inference time compute. Reasoning benchmark failure. This is shocking. On true reasoning, benchmarks ChatGPT 0%, Claude 0%, Google's best AI only 8%. These systems sound intelligent, but they are guessing patterns, not truly reasoning. That is a true gap we must understand as builders. What LLMs really do? Large language models are prediction engines. They are like students who memorize the entire textbook, brilliant at recall, terrible at unseen problems. They don't understand, they predict what usually comes next. State tracking problem. Here is the blind spot. Ask an LLM what happened to the box over time. It struggles. Why? Because current AI doesn't track changing state well. This becomes a huge problem in code, robotics, and real world tasks. Rise of large reasoning models, LRMs. While everyone focused on chatbots, researchers were building something radical, large reasoning models. These models just don't think during training, they think during problem solving time. This is a fundamental shift. That is inference time compute, deliberate calculation. Think chess. Fast players react from memory. A grandmaster calculates moves ahead. LRMs do the same. Try multiple paths, backtrack from mistakes, break loops. This is how real intelligence looks. Measurable results. Now look at the numbers. 92.2% accuracy on elite math, processing 1 million tokens, top scientific benchmarks. This is not hype. This is measurable intelligence. Path attention. Traditional attention is like measuring distance on a map. Path attention is like walking the terrain, meaning emergence from the journey, not just position. This is massive for robotics and embodied AI. Cost versus accuracy. Here is the trade off. One reasoning task can cost $200, but ask yourself, would you pay more for a wrong medical diagnosis? A wrong legal decision? Accuracy has value. Reality check. This is not magic. Reasoning AI is powerful but still incomplete. We are early, and that means opportunity. Limitations. Three truths we must accept. They still fail sometimes. They are slower. Bigger isn't always better. Intelligence is shifting from size to structure. Best of both worlds. Future is not LLM versus LRM. It is LLM plus LRM. Intuition plus logic. Speed plus depth. This is how future AI systems will be built. Hardware plus quantum plus efficiency. We are seeing quantum hybrids, 90% less power, faster reasoning chips. AI is not just software anymore, it's becoming physical intelligence. True understanding. Predicting words has become easy. Predicting concepts is intelligence. This shift changes everything: education, robotics, medicine, science. Practical takeaway: we are not replacing one AI with another. We are expanding our toolbox. LLMs for speed, LRMs for depth. The real power comes from knowing when to use which. If you want to build real AI systems and AI driven robotics, not just chatbots, if you want to work in AI, robotics, and intelligent automations, you must understand these foundations. If this session helped you, like this video, share it with someone learning AI, comment your biggest takeaway below. And if you want one on one mentorship in AI, robotics, or join our hands on internship program, reach out to us now. Let's build intelligence, not just predictions. Stuck with tech, overwhelmed by AI, cloud, or coding? Mentor Expert gives you personalized one on one help, step by step guidance, and instant clarity. Your solution starts here.